Hey everyone! Welcome back to Daily English Dose with Alia Mehar. I'm really happy you clicked on this video today because trust me, this lesson is exactly what you need in your everyday life. Today, we're learning 50 English sentences you can use on WhatsApp and Instagram. Simple, natural, stylish, and very easy to use. You know that moment when someone messages you and your brain goes blank? Or when you want to reply on Instagram but you think, what should I say? Yeah, we're fixing all of that today. By the end of this lesson, your chats will sound more confident, more fluent, and more real, just like native speakers. And honestly, I love making these practical lessons because I know you actually use them. Every message you send, every reply you write becomes part of your English practice. So today's lesson is not just learning, it's upgrading your real-life communication. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. We make English simple, daily, and enjoyable. No pressure, no big books, just real English for real people. And if you're already part of our daily English family, thank you so much. Your support means more than you think. Before we start, I want you to think about something for just 10 seconds. Ready? Ask yourself, what would happen if I practiced 5 small English sentences every day, consistently, for just 1 week? Not 5 pages, not 5 paragraphs, just 5 sentences. How much more confident would you feel? How much smoother will your replies sound? How much faster will your brain start thinking in English? Small steps always create big results. And here's a very easy task for you, one that takes just 2 seconds. In the comments, write one sentence you want to start using from today's lesson. Just one. That's it. This small action helps your memory, helps your practice, and yes, it helps our community grow too. All right, take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and let's start learning English you can actually use today. Here we go. 50 English sentences for WhatsApp and Instagram. Let's begin. 1. I just saw your message. Repeat after me. I just saw your message. Great opener for any chat. 2. Give me a minute. I'm replying. Repeat. Give me a minute. I'm replying. 3. I was a little busy. Sorry for the late reply. Again. I was a little busy. Sorry for the late reply. 4. How's everything going? Repeat after me. How's everything going? A friendly way to restart a conversation. 5. What are you up to? Again. What are you up to? 6. I'm on my way. Repeat. I'm on my way. Useful for quick updates. 7. I'll text you when I reach. Once more. I'll text you when I reach. 8. Can you send it again? Repeat. Can you send it again? Use this when something didn't load. 9. Thanks for letting me know. Say it. Thanks for letting me know. 10. I really appreciate it. Again. I really appreciate it. A warm, respectful reply. You're doing great. Keep repeating with me. Let's continue. 11. That made my day. Repeat. That made my day. 12. That's so sweet of you. Say it. That's so sweet of you. 13. Tell me more. Once more. Tell me more. Great for keeping a conversation alive. 14. I didn't understand that. Again. I didn't understand that. 15. Can you explain it a little? Repeat. Can you explain it a little? Useful on WhatsApp groups or Insta messages. Never feel shy to ask for clarity. Good communication by guessing. 16. I totally agree with you. Say it. I totally agree with you. 17. That makes sense. Repeat. That makes sense. 18. I'm not sure about that. Again. I'm not sure about that. 19. Let me think about it. Repeat. Let me think about it. 20. I'll get back to you. Say it. I'll get back to you. Polite and professional. Still here? Good. Your brain is absorbing more than you think. 21. Can I call you? Repeat. Can I call you? 22. Text me when you're free. Again. Text me when you're free. 23. No worries, it's okay. Say it. No worries, it's okay. 24. Take your time. Once more. Take your time. 25. I'm here if you need me. Repeat. I'm here if you need me. A very warm, supportive sentence. Relax your shoulders. Ready for the next set? Let's continue. 26. That's hilarious. Repeat. That's hilarious. 27. You're too funny. Again. You're too funny. 28. I love this. Say it. I love this. 29. This looks amazing. Repeat. This looks amazing. 30. Proud of you. Again. Proud of you. Great for Instagram comments. Using positive sentences makes your English and your personality shine brighter. 31. Let's do it. Repeat. Let's do it. 32. I'm in. Again. I'm in. 33. Count me in. Say it. Count me in. 34. Let me check and tell you. Repeat. Let me check and tell you. 35. I'll try my best. Again. I'll try my best. Great job. We're moving into the last 15 sentences. 36. I'm feeling a bit tired today. Repeat. I'm feeling a bit tired today. 37. I need a short break. Again. I need a short break. 38. I'm so happy for you. Say it. I'm so happy for you. 39. That's great news. Repeat. That's great news. 40. Let me know if anything changes. Again. Let me know if anything changes. 41. I'll send it in a moment. Repeat. I'll send it in a moment. 42. I'm almost done. Again. I'm almost done. 43. Don't worry, I got you. Say it. Don't worry, I got you. 44. I'll message you tomorrow. Repeat. I'll message you tomorrow. 45. Talk to you soon. Again. Talk to you soon. 46. I'm so sorry about that. Repeat. I'm so sorry about that. 47. It wasn't intentional. Again. It wasn't intentional. 48. Let's stay in touch. Say it. Let's stay in touch. 49. This means a lot to me. Repeat. This means a lot to me. 50. Have a wonderful day. Again. Have a wonderful day. A beautiful way to end any conversation. All right, my beautiful learners. We just completed 50 real, useful, daily English sentences that you can use on WhatsApp and Instagram starting right now. And I want you to take a moment and appreciate yourself. Yes, you. You stayed, you listened, you repeated, and you practiced. That's exactly how fluency grows. You know, English doesn't improve with big grammar books. It improves with sentences like these. Short, natural, practical sentences you send to real people in real conversations. Every time you reply to a message, every time you comment on Instagram, every time you send even a small text, you are training your English brain. You're getting faster, smoother, and more confident. And you should feel proud of that. Really proud. Thank you for spending your time with me today. I know you could be watching anything, but you chose to learn, to grow, to invest in yourself. That means a lot, truly. And remember, you're not just learning English, you're building confidence, you're improving your future, and you're becoming the best version of yourself, step by step, sentence by sentence. Keep practicing, keep repeating, and I'll meet you in the next lesson. Take care, and have a wonderful day.